Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. BMW, the battery was replaced. Do we need to do anything? There is no check engine light, nothing, but let us try to see what it needs to be done. Thank you for your support for the channel, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say yes, say okay. Please subscribe, share and like, and we need you here in this channel. Okay, this is F25 X3 280X N52. Okay, let me try to do as usual my scanning. Okay, you have two things to do. Let me scan it first. I just want to be sure that everything is good in the car. Fault scanning. This is so clean, man. I like some people, they clean their car so good. Please, if you know, crankshaft, inlet, camshaft, interference, angle difference, outside limit value, power minimum reduction, deactivation, individual electrical load, vanos inlet, fourth position not reached. Wow, this car have some interface, kilometer, disc. This car have a lot of intermittent problems. Wow. Yes, there's a lot of problems. All these are signals. And any car, any place have wow message. This car have too much message, man. Intermittent, air condition, everything. You know how many code generally? Okay, anyhow, those codes are so funny. Let me see this one here. Trouble code in the engine. Vanos inlet control, crankshaft, all this. Let me see what they say here. Escape. If I do search, series camshaft, vanos, tarara, explain, Mini Cooper drive. There's a lot of code here. Okay. Go back. Crankshaft also. Wow. I'm not gonna clear all this code now. Let me get report. Report to save. View report. I'm supposed to get something here. Send to email.com. Gonna send it back successfully. Send it to his SMS. Send it.
Check the oil level same time for me.
Oil level?
Yeah, when you're done.
Oh, your oil level, you're not sure how it is?
Yeah, let's check it from the same time. Alright.
You have a lot of codes. I don't know why. Hello? Hello? That's a lot. Okay, anyhow, I'm gonna leave this as it is. Skip. Skip. Service. This is battery exchange. We're gonna come here. You have to go junction box. This is an aftermarket battery. Okay, the last one we need to do is to check the engine oil level. You see here, the customer asked me to check the engine oil level, so we come here and push menu, and in menu you come to vehicle. You see menu, you come to vehicle information, and then go to vehicle status, and then vehicle status go to tire or engine, and then engine oil level, and what they say, engine level okay. You see maximum, minimum, and it's okay. Engine have to be running, everything look good here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this is regarding battery registration and checking the oil level, which I already did it, and it looked like it's okay here. There is a lot of code in this car. I don't want to clear anything. I'm gonna turn it off and put the ignition on. Let me see. You see all the light is here. Checking the light, brake. I know that I registered the battery, but I don't want to clear all this code that is here. It's a nice car. You see here. Wow. I see something here. I don't see it. I know that it's supposed to have some kind of numbers here. I don't see it. I don't know why. It doesn't show. You see that it's supposed to have a green light here, RN. I don't see it. You see there. I'm in reverse. Close the trunk, please. I'm gonna close the trunk later. This is the car from the front. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing there.
BMW, so check it out. It will be on the channel. It will teach you how to do
I have a lot of videos that here I show. Okay. This is a nice car. I like it. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. You can put the stuff back. Hello, Bernard. This is the battery. They replace it, and this is the location of the battery. Let's see. It's aftermarket battery. Semi-cabless, pureless. Okay, you can put it. You can put them back.
Sometimes we have the winning in the more. The discharge light come on the dashboard, turn in register with the car.
Yeah, but I see you have a lot of code in this car, like intermittent. I send it to my printer. I'm gonna print it out and give it to you. I did not clear anything because I don't want nothing disturb you. You know, like clear everything. And also I notice your shifter indicator light. It doesn't work.
Oh, yeah.
You see, like on the shifter is supposed to be a green
light,
wire that will show where the shifter is. Also, it doesn't. I don't see it.
Yes.
I don't see that one.
And hold on there.